I done raised this hell. I've been the last one standing when all the giants fell.
We officially welcome each and everyone to our most awaited celebration of the year, Supremacy International 6th year anniversary.
Start me up, open my eyes, turn me loose and you'll see why I was born.
You are exactly where you need to be.
The pressure now, I won't quit, not backing down. I was born ready. I was born ready. Keep pushing up higher, higher. Keep pushing up. Gotta keep pushing up higher. Keep pushing up higher, higher. Keep pushing up.
Happy 6th-year anniversary, Supremacy International. And together, we will reign supreme.
Keep pushing up higher, higher. Keep pushing up. Start me up, open my.
This is Supremacy International. Walang hype, walang mind setting. Pure results, pure integrity, pure heart.
Happy 6th-year anniversary, Supremacy International.
Supremacy International!
See why I was born
As the chapter ends, a new era begins. We are no longer just a company. We are a virus of greatness, spreading our beliefs, transformation, and legacy from city to city, from country to country, from dreamers to dreamers, creating leaders, expanding and empowering everyone wherever we go.
through the night blind and the dark days. My heart, it never gets tired. I come alive when it's do or die. Bravery's my instinct to run into the face of the fire. A sacrifice to save a life. Oh, oh, it's in my blood.
Congratulations, Supremacy International, for your 6th year anniversary.
Unbreakable, unshakable hero. Not holding back any longer. I'm stronger. I got the heart of a hero.
Happy 6th-year anniversary, Supremacy International, game changer. And together, we will reign supreme.
I can overtake anything.
One decision can change everything. So tonight guys, this can be our turning point na magdesisyon ka. Simulan natin ang mga susunod na taon mo. Gawin natin ang pinakamagagandang taon ng buhay ng bawat isa sa atin.
This is a turning point or a decision maker. Pagkatapos nitong event na to, next year may anniversary tayo ulit. Attendee ka ba ulit or awardee ka na?
Not holding back any longer. I'm stronger. I got the heart of a hero. Oh, superhero.
Happy 6th-year anniversary, Supremacy International. And together, we will reign supreme.
Oh,
Sabi nga nila kung gusto mong may magbago, kailangan meron ka gawing bago. Tama po ba?
Unbreakable, unshakable hero. Not holding back any longer. I'm stronger. I got the heart of a hero. Unbreakable, unshakable hero.
The moment na tuloy-tuloy mong ginagawa yung supremacy, makakahanap ka din ng agila na makakasama mo ang aakyat dito sa stage.
Superhuman.
Dati lang din ako nagsimula naman dyan, pumapalakpak sa tagumpay ng iba. Pero ngayon, grabe!
And guys, ako naniniwala kung ikaw ngayon, nahihirapan ka, hindi mo alam kung paano magsisimula, guys, tumuloy ka lang.
Unbreakable, unshakable hero.
Because we are born to reign supreme!
I got the heart of a hero.